The A Plus content section on your Amazon page is one of the most powerful tools you have to convert browsers into buyers. And yet, most authors are either skipping it or they're filling it with images that don't actually sell. I know because I used to do the same thing. In fact, in a recent workshop with a bunch of authors, I asked the entire room who has A Plus content. And no, 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 almost 98% of them did not. So I built a custom GPT specifically to help KDP authors take all of the guesswork out and be able to create those images fast. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact process and I'm going to give you free access to the KDP A Plus content Generator GPT. That's a mouthful. So you can start using it today. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use one of my books that I have not yet added A Plus content on and I'll kind of walk you through the process so you can see exactly how easy and effective. But before I do, let me show you an example in case you don't know exactly what A Plus content can do for you. So this is on my latest published book, Get Paid to Teach. And if you scroll down, you will find this from the publisher. This is real estate that you are able to add to your page. And as someone is scrolling, this little bit more information can actually convert them into buying. So you can see here with this one, it's convincing them why this is a good book because you don't need funnels, you don't need a big audience, you don't need a fancy platform, just a paid workshop in 14 days. Here's the before and after of reading this book, how you might feel this before and after reading this book, you're going to feel after. There's the transformation. And then finally, one more image actually kind of lays out the framework that is taught in the book. First, you're going to learn this, then you're going to learn that. And all of this helps you to sell more books. So we're going to use this book again, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it. We need to answer 10 questions in our custom GPT. And by the way, if you want this GPT that I have created for students of mine, you can find it in the link in the description below. All right, so we're going to click here to begin. And I'll just move myself over here. Step one, please upload your book cover. So I am going to add my book cover. I try to keep organized inside of here and I've got all of my books. So I'm able to get in here. As you publish a lot more books, it can be harder to keep organized. So I'd recommend that you do. All right, here's the image. And I'm going to go ahead and answer this title and subtitle. Now, one of the things that I would recommend is that you go ahead and have the page open. So I am just going to give it the title and subtitle right here. I'm just going to make sure it knows that's the title. And this is the subtype. All right, next question. All right, so it's kind of analyzed that. And moving on to step 3, please paste your Amazon book description or your back copy. All right, so we're gonna go back over here and we're just gonna copy and paste this information here. Put it right back into the tool here. All right, it's kind of sharing, hey, I've identified this is the core promise. If any of these are wrong, you can change it. Here's some of the primary pain points that I'm picking up on. Here's the desired transformation. Here's the potential marketing themes. And then it's going to say, who is your ideal reader? Now, this is designed when you are using this tool that you're going to be able to have some help, some ideas. So you'll see this as we go through. You can literally just kind of copy and paste some of the ideas that the tool gives you. It's programmed that way. So let's say I'm going to say that these top ones right here are going to be who is ideal for this book. Okay, step 5. After reading this book, my reader will be able to, and it's going to give you some examples. Write, publish, and launch their nonfiction book in 9 days or less. Confidently use AI to write faster while preserving their authentic voice, and turn their expertise into a published book that grows their business. I kind of like these top 2, so I'm going to put 2 in there. It's okay if you want to add more than 1. It's just going to use all of this to build out the images. Okay, step 6. What are the 3 to 5 biggest benefits or takeaways? So write your nonfiction book in 90 days. Use AI as a writing partner without losing your voice. Follow a step-by-step system from idea to publication. Launch your book with confidence using a practical marketing plan and turn your book into a tool to grow your audience. All of these are all great. So I'm just going to say, hey, let's try to incorporate all of these if we can. All right, step 7. What emotions should the A Plus content communicate so that it fits your vision? Confidence, clarity, hope, motivation, momentum, freedom, success, professionalism. Confidence, clarity, hope, and motivation. I do like momentum too. I'm gonna go with these top ones here. Those are all great. All right, emotional direction is things like I can actually do this. Now I know exactly what steps to take. Writing my book no longer feels impossible. I'm excited to start today. I can see steady progress toward becoming a published author. Those are all great for this book. Are there any color styles or visuals you like to incorporate? Um, and would you like to add any of the following? I'm just going to say, let's go with the colors that are already incorporated into the book cover itself. Okay. So we've got the direction. We're almost done. Stay with me. Step 9, which overall style best fits your book? You want it to be professional, corporate, warm, more modern, bold, energetic, elegant, faith-based, and uplifting, modern, and minimalist. These are the two that it recommends. So I'm going to go modern and minimalist. Okay. Final direction. Do you have any existing Amazon A Plus content examples or designs that you love? If so, upload them so that it can try to match it. If not, just say no. I'll generate a complete package for all 3. Now, here's where sometimes this tool will give you just the prompts, and then you can just copy and paste the prompts one at a time back in to create the images. Sometimes if you just say create the images, it'll actually create all 3 in one image. So we want to make sure that we are getting what we want here. And so sometimes you have to work with it a little bit, as you know, that's how AI is. So what I'm going to say is, let's create the first image only and make it a 970. Let's actually make it and I'll show you why in just a second, a 600 by 800 size. Okay, so while that is generating that image, usually it takes about a minute. I'm just going to pause the video and then we're going to see what we're looking at for our first image. All right, let me show you where we're at. So created a nice looking image. I like where we're going with this. It's very clean, clear. It's got my book cover. Everything looks great. But I actually don't want it in this size. Now that I'm looking at it, I want it to be longer. So what I told it is 970 by 600. You'll actually see this in a minute when we get in and I'll show you how to upload your A Plus content. I like to have at least three images that are all different that kind of fall under this size. And so here we can clearly see what this looks like. Turn your message into a published book, 9 days or less, 90 days, AI is your partner, step by step, launch with confidence. This is really good. This looks great. So I like it. It's on brand and on message. So now we're going to say, let's create the second image using the 970 by 600 size. And so that you don't sit here and just watch it create this image, even though it takes 60 seconds or less, we're going to pause. All right, so now we've got our second image. And this GPT is programmed specifically for nonfiction, although if you're a fiction author, you could definitely try it. But the first one is kind of selling the premise, the promise of the book. The second one is the transformation that it's selling. So you can see you're going to go from this to this once you get done reading this book. And then what I did is I went ahead and generated the third one, which this is about kind of showcasing inside of your book what your book is all about. So this can really show a sneak peek of this is the process. These are the sections, the parts of the book that you are going to learn as you go through this. And I love these. These are on brand. One thing is when you click into these, it makes it bigger, and then you can just simply click download and we get the images. So now the question is, now what? How do I actually add this to my page? And so I'm going to walk you through that right now. So what you want to do is you want to go over to your KDP account and you're going to click on marketing. I'm already there. If you scroll down a little bit, you will find A Plus content. We're going to say .com for this one. You could go and add it in different languages if you want. And then we're going to come in here and hit start creating content. I'm going to call this one the name of my book, the 90-day author. And let me just show you what I just did. If you come down here, you're going to add a module and we're going to end up adding 3. And the one that I would recommend that you use is this one right here, standard image header with text. And I'll show you why. We click on it and you'll see it's in that 970 by 600. Now, hopefully it won't have text on the edges. You might have to size it a little bit, but let's go ahead and walk through this and see how we do with this. So we're going to go to download where those are. Let's upload the first one. There it is. Looks like it fits pretty good. So we need to describe this. So I'm just going to use the title, turn your message into a published book in 90 days or less. Okay. Now you do need to check that these are AI generated. If there's people in it, you need to do that as well. Doesn't mean it's not going to get accepted, but they just want you to identify that. Okay. And then we're going to hit add. This is how it looks. We're going to go ahead and hit add. And yeah, we've got this in there. Now, if you wanted to add more text and things like that, you can do that. But we're just going to go to the next one. Scroll down. We're going to click on standard image header. We're going to click in. We're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to upload the next one. And this one is from idea to published author, the 90-day author system. Okay, AI generated, and there is AI generated people in this one. And we are going to go to add. Add. All right, we got one more. Scroll all the way down, add module, same thing. We're going to add that last one into this. Five simple steps, big impact, the 90-day author system. Put 5 in there. This was AI generated. There's no people. Add. Okay. Now I'm going to pause the video. I just want to make sure there's not any misspellings. You definitely want to look through it. So give me a moment. I'm just going to look through it. Then I'm going to show you the next step. All right, I took a quick read. Everything looks great. Nothing I need to do from here. So now we're going to go to the next step, apply ASINs. And they want to know, search for ASINs to apply to this content. So since we already have this open, we're going to just scroll down a little bit and you'll find your ASIN for your book right here. We're going to come back over here to Amazon. And there we go. We found it. And now we're going to say apply content. Maybe we have to check the box, apply content. And then it identified all 3. So we're good there. Next, we're going to review and submit. So again, it's just showing you what it looks like. I added some headlines. By the way, this is the desktop. It's not really letting you see the mobile. I added some headlines in here. I don't know if I love them as much. I might want to put them under. So we want to go back again. I'll show you what I mean. So I added a headline here, but what I want to do is there's also a headline under the image. Let's see if this looks better or confusing. I just wasn't liking how that looked. You can get away with not having a headline at all. So if you really just don't like it, you can always get rid of it also. So let's now go back through here. We've already, these are it. Let's see. Should be the same ones. Review and submit. So it's putting it under it. I don't love that as well. So we are going to go back one more time. And back again. So what I want to do is, because I've got good text on all of my images, I don't really have to have a headline. You have to have alt text because it's what people with impairments use to know what images they're saying. But we don't have to have the headlines. So again, we're going to check the boxes here. Perfect. Review and submit. And here's a link to preview, which is kind of cool. It's still showing those headlines, but I'm pretty sure they won't be there. Yeah, so that looks good. So now I'm going to hit submit for approval. It's going to tell me it could take a little bit, but then it'll appear and I am done. So there you go. Now you can do that for every one of your books. And I plan to continue to do that for mine. And I hope this was helpful. This can sell more books. You'd be surprised. So make sure you go and add it. Again, 98% of authors never do this. I think they just don't know how, or they don't feel like they're a graphic designer. They don't want to pay to have someone design it. Now you have the tool. Right below this video, again, you can grab a free copy of my A Plus content generator. It's programmed to create these different style images for you. You just put in the information, make your decisions, and you could have this content. If you're an author or a coach and you're also looking for how do I build this into a full-time business, something that runs 10K a month or even 100K a year, I broke down the step-by-step process, something that I teach, and I put it in an entire video called the $1 Million Messenger Plan. And you can go watch it right over here. We'll see you over in that video.